Crunch, munch a bright red apple. Crunch, munch a green one too. Crunch, munch a golden snack waiting here for you. Yum, yum, an apple a day keeps the clouds and blues away.
Did you enjoy the short kids' music video you just watched? Believe it or not, every single scene was created entirely with AI. No animation experience, no camera, no editing software, and no expensive production team. Just one AI studio doing almost all the heavy lifting. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create colorful, character-consistent kids' music videos like these from scratch. And more importantly, how to turn this into a complete faceless YouTube channel that you can keep growing with the same recurring characters. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your first nursery rhyme video, edit it scene by scene, and build a workflow that lets you publish new videos faster every single time. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let me quickly introduce the tool we'll be using throughout this tutorial. It's called Atlabs, and it's much more than just an AI video generator. It's a complete AI video studio that lets you create and edit your videos all in one place. You can turn a simple kids song into a fully animated music video with consistent characters, colorful scenes, and visuals that stay perfectly in sync with the music. Best of all, you don't need any animation experience or video editing skills to make it happen. If you'd like to follow along, or try everything for yourself after watching this tutorial, I've left a link to Atlabs in the description below. Feel free to check it out, and now let's jump into the workflow and start building our very first kids' music video. Once you're on the Atlabs dashboard, head over to the Workflows section in the top left corner. You can also find it from the navigation bar at the top. From there, simply select Music Video, since that's what we'll be creating today. The first thing Atlabs asks for is your audio. If you created your song with an AI music tool like Suno, you can simply paste the song link here. Or, if you already have the audio saved on your computer like I do, just upload it directly. Atlabs supports both MP3 and WAV files, so either format works perfectly. After your song has been uploaded, Atlabs will ask you to select the section of the song you'd like to turn into a music video. You'll also see a prompt where you can describe the type of video you want the AI to create. For example, you can choose a narrative style if you want the video to tell a story, or a performance style if you'd rather have your characters singing and lip-syncing throughout the song. I'd recommend selecting at least 30 seconds so the AI has enough content to work with. In my case, I'll use about 40 seconds, then click Confirm. Now the really interesting part begins. Atlabs starts analyzing your song automatically. It detects the verses, chorus, pacing, and the energy of each section, so the visuals can stay in sync with the music. It also identifies details like the language, mood, genre, and even the BPM of your song. If anything doesn't look right, you can easily edit these settings yourself. Otherwise, simply click Continue to continue. The next step is choosing the visual style of your video. Since we're creating a kids' music video, it's always a good idea to use bright, warm, and colorful visuals that naturally appeal to young viewers. These kinds of visuals are not only more engaging for children, but they also stand out as YouTube thumbnails. We'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. If you want a fully animated video, select AI video. If you only need still images, you can choose Storyboard instead. Next, you'll find several different visual styles to choose from. Atlabs offers a variety of creative looks depending on the type of video you're making. For this tutorial, I'll go with 3D cartoon, since it's a great fit for nursery rhymes and educational kids content. Now we move on to one of my favorite parts, the concept section. Think of this as the creative direction for your music video. Instead of giving you a random result, Atlabs actually suggests. So if your song is about weekdays, for example, it might recommend colorful classroom scenes, playful outdoor adventures, or other kid-friendly environments that match the lyrics and overall mood. Take a moment to read through the suggestions and choose the one that best fits your vision. And if you already know exactly what you want, you don't have to use the suggestions at all. Simply type your own concept, click Add, and continue to the next step. Now we get to one of the most important parts of building a successful kids channel, creating your characters. On the screen, you'll notice that Atlabs has automatically detected 2 characters for this particular song. Click on any of them to edit the details. Everything is customizable. You can change their appearance, clothing, hairstyle, age, gender, and other attributes until they match exactly what you have in mind. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. Atlabs will then generate your AI character. One feature I really like here is the character consistency. Your characters maintain the same appearance throughout the entire music video, and you can continue using them in future videos as well. That's incredibly important if you're planning to build a real kids channel. Over time, these recurring characters become your channel's mascots. Kids begin to recognize them, look forward to seeing them again, and that's how you build a memorable brand instead of uploading random videos every week. Of course, if you've already created your own mascot or character elsewhere, you can upload it here and use it instead. For this tutorial, I'll let Atlabs generate the characters automatically. While those characters are being created, you also have the option to add custom objects. Maybe your song features balloons, bicycles, toy cars, books, or anything else you'd like to appear consistently throughout the video. Simply enter the object's name, choose the material and color, then click Create. Atlabs will generate it and make it available for your project. Once everything is ready, you'll see all of your generated characters here, and the final video starts generating month 4. Now, before we generate the final video, let's quickly go over the available generation options. From here, Atlabs begins building your music video scene by scene. It creates the storyboard, generates the animations, keeps everything synchronized with the music, and maintains the consistency of your characters throughout the entire production. Once the first draft is ready, remember that this isn't necessarily the final version. Think of it as the AI getting you most of the way there. This is where Atlabs really stands out. You can review every single scene, regenerate the ones you don't like, replace weaker visuals, improve the framing, make your characters larger or more expressive, and fine-tune the overall look of the video without leaving the platform. Instead of accepting whatever the AI gives you, you have scene-by-scene control over the final production. That means you can keep refining your video until it's something you're genuinely proud to publish. Once you're satisfied with the final result, simply click Export to render your finished video. You can also copy the preview link if you'd like to share it with friends, clients, or collaborators before publishing. And just like that, your kid's music video is complete. Let's preview it.
Crunch, munch a bright red apple. Crunch, munch a green one, too. Crunch, munch a golden stack, waiting here for you. Yum, yum, an apple a day. Keeps the clouds and blues away. Deep inside a tiny seed is everything an apple needs. Sun and rain and soar so deep while the little seedling sleeps. Grow up tall and grow up round.
Now here's the part that makes this workflow so exciting. The process never really changes. Once you've learned it the first time, creating your second, third, or even 50th video becomes much faster. The only things you're changing are the song, the concept, and maybe a few characters or objects. Today you might create a weekday song. Tomorrow it could be an alphabet song. Next week it could be colors, numbers, animal sounds, bedtime routines, healthy habits, emotions, or any other educational topic for kids. Because you're reusing the same visual style and recurring characters, every new upload strengthens your channel's identity. Your audience begins to recognize your mascot. Your thumbnails become instantly familiar, and over time, you're building a library of content that children will want to watch again and again. Here's another kid's music video I just generated.
Splish, splash, hydration, it's for everyone. Drink your water, join the fun, join the fun.
If you'd like to try this workflow yourself, don't forget to check out the Atlabs link I've left in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what kind of kids music video you're planning to create first. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.